Hi, my name is Marc, and I have been HIV positive since 2018. After a couple of years, I started engaging properly with Living Positive Victoria, and I was doing some volunteering with Thorn Harbour. And after doing some workshops with Living Positive Victoria, I started being able to share my story in a non-confrontational sort of setting where I could be comfortable talking about my journey. And in those workshops, I was able to feel the importance of sharing my story, as well as hearing other people's journeys, because I was able to resonate and relate to what others have gone through. And I found that even though what I thought was a boring story of mine, of how it all happened, I found that other people were able to relate to it as well. After a couple of years, I found out about the Positive Speakers Bureau, and I was encouraged to do it. I feel like sharing my story now, now that I've gotten a lot more confidence in being able to talk about what's happened, and also what the landscape of where HIV sits now. I think it's important that we keep talking about all the progress that's been happening because there still isn't a cure. I would like to keep talking about HIV awareness, and especially in terms of the stigma and discrimination that still exist in today's time. I work in the healthcare sector, and there still is stigma and discrimination that exists. I feel like what I've learnt engaging with Living Positive Victoria and volunteering with Living Positive Victoria, and my decision to become a Positive Speakers Bureau, is my presence, and also everyone who decides to be a part of the community, being a migrant that came here at 7 years old, who has had the opportunity to be an Aussie, but also knowing what it's like to be raised in a family with traditional values. I volunteer within the Positive Asian Network and Living Positive Victoria, and I have met so many people in the group who are coming from the Asian region and having to face issues about disclosure, about stigma regarding HIV, and the issues that they have when it comes to disclosing about family, when it comes to things like religion, how they fit in amongst the community. So yeah, I think it's important that we are able to share our stories.